Okay, good evening everyone. Uh, Today we will see about nesting lists and dictionaries. So generally in the dictionaries we have seen like key value pairs, but there is another concept called nesting where in dictionaries we can give lists and in the even we can give dictionaries in the values for the same key. So it's like if you see here nested lists and dictionaries. Actually, these are a very important data structures in Python, and it's like for storing complex informations. So I think we have already discussed about nested lists, like one list having a list. So here, if you see student, it's having allies, and the list all the subjects they have enrolled for. For example, like list of courses they have enrolled for. Similarly, now if we will discuss more on the nested dictionaries. So for example, here if you see employees, and here it's a dictionary uh, started with flower bracket, and then the key is allies, and in that if you see there is another dictionary. If you see like key name, like full name allies to it, and then department marketing and the role, like. So similarly for the same employee Bob, what is their name, like full name Bob Smith, and in which department they are working and which role they are doing. So so storing like this complex data structures, it's very important to store. So and then if we just go on, just copy this and try to print it out, how it will print, we will see. So we'll do a demo. Language Python. Then we have defined employees dictionary. It's a dict of text. Now let's see print employees. Then I will save it. So here we have saved the dictionary, like I meant to say the file. Then it's like Python. So I have printed this. So if we check the type, it will be a dictionary only. Like in type. Oh, okay, sorry. Here I haven't given bracket, so it is failing. So it's a dictionary. So not only this, even in the list we have multiple dictionaries of text. So we can define in a list multiple dictionaries or vice versa, or we can define in dictionaries dict of lists. So it's a very complex data structures we can say. And these are actually very useful, and where I meant to say, where when you are doing any web scraping, these are very useful. So going back, so now you can so as I said, so now it's like combining of nested lists and dictionaries. So you can combine lists in the dictionary itself. So I'm taking another example. Undoing. So apply the same. I will just rename it another some employees underscore uh, company in some way. So if I save it, if you see here in this employees underscore company underscore y dictionary, we have key value pairs. In the skills, we have a list. So here again, if we print the, so it will be again dict type only even if you print. So let me run it again. So its syntax at 29. Print employees, not showing the syntax. Yeah, perfectly fine, right? Again, if I run, okay, here we haven't closed the list. Sorry. So if we see here, it's a list, and in the list, it's containing dictionary, and then it's like containing dictionaries, and then in the dictionary again we have a list. So it's like combination of lists and dictionaries. So when I click now if I, it should be a list. So I will be printing out type of, so, and then if I run it, no, so it's like a list. Okay. So now similarly, if we go today's exercise, so just I want to just explain it. Uh, so they have given all the travel logs, and here we have to define a function. Depending on that, when we have given input, the output should be here. So he so we have already written that. Uh, so this is the code we have write. So it's like we have to call the this function, so as defined on the PPT. So it's like when we define call to function, so we have to define with that function, and then these are the inputs what we have to get it. So now what they are saying, we should not modify this, but we have to append it. So we are creating a new empty dictionary, and then we are adding key value pairs. So country name, visits, time visits, new cities visited, and travel log. It will be append new country. So it will, whatever the inputs we are given, it will actually append to this this dictionary, and then this dictionary will be appended to this list. So append is a list method. If we have remember, we have already used. And then using the indices accessories. So log of 2 is like 0, 1, 2. In that third item, we will be getting country and then visits. So it's straightforward. So if I run this, so I'm entering Brazil 5, and then so it's like, yeah, so we are accessing the same thing, so it's working perfectly fine. So it's a very simple method, like a mechanism. You can try to work it out. I will be uploading this to GitHub, and you can just try to work it. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you.